Getting started on Roobet is easy, especially when you use the right bonus code. If you've created an account under someone else's code, don't worry. Just reach out to live support and they'll apply the LEPAG code to your account so you can enjoy all the benefits. Make sure to check our site, rubyrewards.com, for leaderboard and more rewards.
280, you fucking asshole, bro. Like on this bet size, what is that? Hey, we got a bounce! We got a bounce! It's going for us multi! Guys! Wait a second, is that fucking good? Bro! We got 7x and a bounce on $40 fucking dollars. Broski, is it good? Wait a fucking second, bro. Don't be fucking asshole, bro. What is that? Just one? No, dude. 4K, bro. That's how it looks like. Okay. 4K. Thank you, 100x. I appreciate it, bro.